GPU drivers are the most common cause. NVIDIA GeForce Experience, please open your app to see this link. Update drivers. AMD Radeon software, please open your app to see this link. Update drivers. Intel driver and support assistant, please open your app to see this link. After updating, restart your PC. Step 2, update DirectX. Make sure you have the latest DirectX version installed. 1. Press Windows R, type dxdiag, press Enter, check DirectX version. 2. Download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Microsoft DirectX, please open your app to see this link. 3. Install and restart your PC. Step 3, run game as administrator. 1. Right-click Black Ops 7 shortcut, Properties. 2. Go to Compatibility tab, check Run this program as an administrator. 3. Apply changes and launch the game. Step 4, disable overlays. Overlays can conflict with DirectX. Discord overlay, settings, disable in-game overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, disable. Xbox game bar, press Windows G, settings, turn off overlay. Step 5, verify game files, Steam, Battle.net, Epic Games. Corrupted game files often cause DirectX errors. Steam, library, right-click game, properties, local files, verify integrity of game files. Battle.net, game, options, scan and repair. Epic Games library, click verify. Step 6, adjust graphics settings. Lower in-game graphics settings, textures, shadow, anti-aliasing. Set VSync off. Try windowed mode if black screen occurs. Step 7, increase virtual memory page file. 1. Press Windows R, type sysdm.cpl, enter. 2. Advanced performance settings, advanced virtual memory change. 3. Set initial and maximum size to 1.5 times your RAM. 4. Restart PC and test. Step 8, reinstall Visual C+ redistributables. 1. Go to Microsoft VC++ redistributables. Please open your app to see this link. To install both x64 and x86 versions, restart PC. Step 9, disable background apps. Close unnecessary apps that might conflict, e.g. recording software, VPNs, or monitoring tools. Step 10, reinstall the game. If the error persists, 1. Uninstall the game completely. 2. Delete leftover folders in documents, app data, or program files. 3. Reinstall the game and launch. Additional tips, update Windows fully. Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Make sure DirectX 12 is supported on your GPU. Ensure GPU temperature is not too high. Overheating can crash DirectX.